Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G versus Nothing Phone 2A. Two phones na almost similar ang kanilang specs, kaya magandang labanan na ito. Both are powered by the Dimensity 7200. Ito Ultra, ito is Pro. Ang kanilang camera is almost equally matched. Ang kanilang Antutu benchmark is hindi rin nagkakalayo. Plus, ang kanilang gaming experience is almost the same. But there could only be one winner dito sa dalawa. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So recently, kakalabas lang ni Nothing Phone 2A and medyo pinagkakaguluhan siya. Ang kanyang 8256 is priced at 18,999. Samantala si Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, ang kanyang 8256 is priced at 20,999. So you get roughly 2,000 pesos savings dito sa Nothing Phone 2A. Pagdating sa spec sheet, almost equally matched silang dalawa. Si Nothing 2A has the Dimensity 7200 Pro, samantala si Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G has the Dimensity 7200 Ultra. So pagdating sa Antutu benchmark, this one has 655,000 points and this one has 728,000 points. And pag binake na mo kanilang score, this is what you should see. Pagdating naman sa wide extreme, almost equally match silang dalawa dahil 99% pareho silang dalawa sa kanilang stability. Almost hindi rin nagkakalayo kanilang score dito sa CPU benchmarking sa Geekbench and halos pareho lang din sa kanilang GPU benchmarking sa Geekbench. Samantala sa kanilang thermal throttling, this one throttled to 90%, this one throttled to 83% ang kanilang maximum performance. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, pareho naman kanilang graphics, low graphics quality plus ultra frame rate. Pagdating naman sa Farlight 84, pareho din sila extreme high. Now one of the good things is that ang Nothing 2A comes with the Android 14 out of the box. This one is still running inside Android version 13. Now, kanilang screen size is almost the same. This one has 6.7 inch. This one has 6.67 inch na AMOLED display. Nagkakatalo lang, this one is flat. This one is curved display. Both can support up to 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Si Nothing 2A has a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 na protection. This one has a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus na protection. Samantalang kanilang likod, this one is a glass protection. This one is a plastic back. Now, magkaiba rin kanilang IP rating. This one is IP68 rated. This one is IP54 rated. Both, hindi nyo pwede ipang underwater photography. Huwag nyo gayahin yung mga ibang vloggers. Now, honestly, both of display nitong dalawang phone na ito is really good. Very punchy ang kanilang mga colors. If you're scrolling on shorts, watching your favorite reels, or watching your favorite video, parehong maganda naman, matingkad, and very sharp ang kanilang mga colors. Pagdating naman sa gaming experience, both of this phone can perform. Nilaro ko both Farlight 84 and Call of Duty Mobile dito sa dalawang phone na ito and it was really fun. Wala naman halos na feel na lag sa kanila pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile. Sa Farlight 84, pag sinagad-sagad mo siya, minimal ang frame drops. Pagdating pa sa battery, pareho naman sila 5,000 mAh sa battery. Kaya lang si Nothing 2A supports 45 watts of fast charging. This one supports 120 fast charging. And take note that this one has a charging brick na kasama sa box. This one, buy your own charging brick. Now, nakita na yung difference between these two phones. Pag-usapan na natin ang kanyang camera. Si Nothing 2A has dalawang camera module and mukha siyang Wall-E pag tinignan mo mabuti. Isang 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and the other is a 50MP na ultra-wide sensor. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is a 32MP na front-facing camera which can shoot up to 1080p and 60. Samantala si Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, this one has triple camera sensors starting with a 200MP na main camera sensor with OIS and a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Then meron siyang third eye which is the macro lens at 2MP which I rarely use and a 4K 30fps na video recording capability. Ang kanyang front-facing camera is 16MP which can shoot up to 1080 and 60fps. Now, simulan muna natin with some outdoor shot. And on my left is the Nothing 2A and on my right is the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. So you see itong dalawang picture to is taken using the ultra-wide lens. Mukhang mas matingkad tingnan itong kay Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G as compared na medyo mas gloomy dito kay Nothing 2A. Now, if you check some details dito sa kanyang cloud, I would say that parang medyo mas detailed kunti ang mga clouds dito kay Nothing 2A. Dahil probably it's a 50MP na ultra-wide lens versus a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Now, taking a look at a normal shot, this is how it looks like. Pareho pa rin, no? Gloomy dito kay Nothing 2A. And this is a 2x zoom shot and this is a 4x zoom shot. You see na both cameras, pag zoom in mo, pareho naman silang grainy. Parang medyo mas grainy nga lang kunti itong si kay Nothing 2A. Now, pagdating naman dito sa Scout Circle dito sa Thomas Morato, na makita mo na parang medyo mas enhanced ang color ngayon ni Nothing 2A. If you check itong mga bronze statue dito, dito na mukhang mas bronze ang kay Nothing 2A as compared na medyo parang mas madungis tingnan dito kay Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. And now this is a normal shot. Pati yung statwa niya, no, makita mo na parang medyo mas maganda tingnan ng kanang color dito sa kanang statwa. This is a 2x zoom shot. Equally said, no, na parang mas maganda tingnan ang mga statwa dito versus sa Redmi. Na pagdating sa 4x zoom, I would say, well, it's the same. Nothing has changed. Mas maganda pa rin ang colors sa Nothing 2A. Now, if you check these two pictures, there's a lot more details packed inside the camera ni Nothing 2A. Now, pag zoom in mo siya, makita mo mga orange details dito sa kanya na hindi mo makita dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Na pag tinignan mo naman itong mga dried leaves na shot, it looks simple. But pag tinignan mo ka ng colors, di hamak na mas maganda pa rin tingnan dito kay Nothing 2A. Doon ka na pag-blur sa likod is almost the same, but pag tinignan mo ang dahon, mas maganda tingnan kay Nothing 2A. Dapat dating naman sa dahon na ito, I would say sobrang enhance ang color naman dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Medyo OA na nagiging neon yung green. Samantala dito, it has preserved yung natural colors niya. No? A little bit enhancement, but hindi kasing OA dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. And plus dito sa shot na ito, I would say na mas natural pa rin ang color na nakuha ni Nothing 2A. Kapag dito sa indoor, it gets fun and see na mas maganda ang color na nakuha dito sa Nothing 2A, yung kanyang red na cap, no? This is how it looks like in actual. Ito medyo mas faded red na. Pero yung pag-focus nila pareho naman mabilis. Pero parang mas maganda lang talaga tingnan dito kay Nothing. Equally said din dito, parang mas maganda kanya pagka-pink dito. Pero though yung kanya pagka-bokeh sa kanya background is almost the same. Now using yung zoom lens naman pagdating sa indoor, this is a normal shot. Makita natin, no, pagdating sa Nothing 2A, mas maganda ang kanyang color. Dito medyo na overexposed konti dito sa part na ito. Pero sa Nothing 2A, preserve na preserve. And pagdating naman, this is a 2x zoom shot. You see yung subject natin pagdating dito sa Nothing 2A looks a lot better na dito na medyo mas namuti siya dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Na pagdating naman sa 4x zoom shot, I would say na still mas maganda pa rin ang color reproduction dito sa Nothing 2A. Na pagdating naman sa shot na ito, it looks very different. Dito sa hair ng anak ko, parang a lot more details na nakikita ko dito sa Nothing 2A as compared dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Though parang medyo mas maganda lang tingnan dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G dahil medyo mas blacker dito. But dito, it seems to me na medyo mas brighter siyang tingnan. Looking at this figurine shot, I would say talagang maganda ang color science ni Nothing 2A as opposed to medyo pale dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. And pagdating naman dito sa figure nito, equally said, walang-wala si Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G kay Nothing 2A. Now, looking at this, I would say yung color red dito sa Nothing 2A looks better as composed sa yung medyo mas pale na red dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Overall, masasabi ko ang kanyang rear camera, maganda ang colors na na-reproduce dito sa Nothing 2A. Now, moving on naman dito sa kanyang front-facing camera. Now, honestly, yung blue dito sa Nothing 2A ko, yung eksaktong blue na meron ng damit ko as opposed sa medyo lighter blue dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Now, yung pag-capture nila naman ng details sa aking mukha is not so far from each other. But I think yung pag-reproduce ng shot dito sa Nothing 2A seems to be better for me. Equally said din dito sa shot na ito na makita mo na medyo overexposed dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G as compared dito sa Nothing 2A, it looks a lot better ang kanyang color. Makita mo pala sa mas magandang yellow dito sa Nothing, medyo pale dito sa Redmi. Now, if you bring it indoors, it seems to me dito sa shot na ito, I think parang medyo mas maganda lang konti dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, and this one is a little bit more darker. If you're trying to take some bokeh shot, I think mas maganda talaga kay Nothing 2A. Na pagdating naman sa video, you would see na di hamak na mas magandang color na reproduce ni Nothing 2A. Medyo mas pale ako dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, and parang medyo mas dull ang kanang color, mas dead ang kanang color. Based on my observation, pareho naman sila stable, may OIS naman sila pareho, and both looks okay. Pag tinignan naman dito sa kanyang rear camera shot, equally said, no, ang kanyang color dito sa Nothing 2A looks to be better, and there seems to be a little bit of a focus hunting dito sa Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Parang meron konting focus hunting dito, mas smooth. So parehong stable naman sila and hindi shaky, both cameras from the Nothing 2A and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. Now guys, nakita na ang differences between these two phones. I would say na this one is definitely refreshing. It has the glyph interface na wala dito sa phone na ito. But this one has a IP68 rating na wala nito. Plus, curved AMOLED display ang meron niya, which is flat ang nating phone 2A. There are some pros and cons between these two phones. In terms of performance, hindi naman sila nagkakalayo. Pagdating naman sa camera performance, I would take the Nothing 2A as the better camera for me. Honestly, I don't need a macro lens na present dito sa camera na ito. And this one definitely gives me a better output pagdating sa camera. Lalo na pagdating sa ultra-wide. And ang kanyang selfie camera is definitely better compared to the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. And ang feel dito sa phone nito feels better compared dito. Though I'm a fan of curved AMOLED display, but yung side frame sa dito, magandang grip para sa akin as compared dito. Overall guys, with a 2,000 pesos na savings, I would go for the Nothing 2A. Even though ang kanyang benchmark is a little bit lower compared dito, probably this one is a little bit boosted ni Xiaomi. So guys, kayo, anong husga ninyo? Anong pipiliin nyo dito sa dalawang phone na ito? And kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili ito dalawang phone na ito, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be nothing. Everything pala. I'll see you in the next one.
And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.